This might be one of the smartest upgrades that you can add to your Tesla Model Y Juniper or Tesla Model 3 Highland. It doesn't just make the interior look more premium, it also adds a blind spot warning system into the ambient lighting. Let's see if it's actually worth it. Hansshow sent me their Streamer Ambient Light with the blind spot detection system 2.0 for my Model Y Juniper to review. I think you can install this for the Model 3 Highland as well. And as always, this video is based on my own experience after installing and using it. Inside the box, you'll find everything you needed for the installation. To start the installation, we first need to remove the door seal, followed by the side dashboard trim and the side kick panel, so we can access the factory wiring. Before touching any electrical connections, don't forget to power the vehicle off first. You can do this by going into settings, then safety, scrolling to the bottom, and then selecting the power off. It's a simple step, but quite an important one. Next, we will connect the supplied wiring harness. The main connector is quite large, so it is easy to identify, and the harness also includes an additional pass-through connector if you decide to install more accessories in the future. Unplug the original factory connector, connect the Hansshow harness, and then plug the factory connector back into the other end of the harness. Once that's done, connect the screen power cable to the main control module. Now it's time to remove the dashboard trim where the LED strip will be installed. I'll be honest, this part took me longer than I expected. Since it was my first time removing this trim, it was definitely more challenging than I thought. Before permanently mounting the LED strip, it is always a good idea to plug everything in and test that it is working. Once I confirm everything powered on correctly, I measured the position under the dashboard trim, applied the supplied double-sided tape, and secured the LED strip in place. To keep the installation looking factory, I used the included fishing wire to guide the LED cable underneath the dashboard trim, hiding all of the wiring before connecting it into the control module. Once everything was connected, the hard work was done. The final step was simply putting everything back together, starting with the dashboard trim, followed by the side kick panel, the dashboard side trim, and finally the door seal. And just like that, the installation was complete. Here is the moment of truth. As soon as the car powers on, the cabin instantly feels more modern. The lighting is smooth and evenly distributed across the dashboard. At night, this is where the system really shines. The lighting isn't distracting at all. It simply gives the cabin a much more premium atmosphere. One of the standout features of this kit is of course the integrated blind spot warning. When another vehicle enters your blind spot, the ambient lighting changes color to give you an additional visual alert. Other than that, the system also integrates with your Tesla's existing functions. If a door is not fully closed, the ambient light will indicate which one needs your attention. It can also display different colors when you adjust the air conditioning temperature, making it easy to see whether you are increasing or decreasing the temperature. During battery preconditioning, the lighting also changes color to let you know that the process is active. These small touches don't just make the interior look more premium, they also provide useful visual feedback during everyday driving. The installation itself is mostly plug and play, although it does take some patience, especially there are some parts that is actually harder than I thought. But if you have installed Tesla accessories before, these shouldn't be too difficult. After using it, I think this upgrade is more than just cosmetic. Of course, the ambient lighting transforms the interior, while the blind spot features literally adds another layer of visual awareness. It won't replace the safe driving or checking your mirrors, but it is quite a nice extra reminder. So if you are looking to personalize your Model Y or Model 3 while adding another useful feature in your car, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks again to Hansshow for sending me this product to review, and if you'd like to check it out, the product links in the description, and you can use my code ZENLUK to save 20%. Let me know in the comments, would you install this in your Tesla?